guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been a little lost this holiday season, but you guys, if you've been following along on Instagram, then you know that Crazy Katie got to do home renovations right in the middle of the holidays, you guys. But they're finally done and I want to share with you. Christmas gift I decided to gift myself. Oh, maybe I should say my husband and I decided to gift me a new patio pergola. That's project number 1, and project number 2 is inside the house, which is a new fireplace built in. So remember how I mentioned to you that I was going to change the whole layout inside? So we did it and I am loving it. So here's a pergola. This company, honestly, I had hiccups with them because they was just not following directions. They did the opposite of what I wanted, but hey, it's done and I just have to work with what they have done. I honestly, yeah, it was a nightmare. But here I am. This is the living room before. Remember that I told you that I was gonna move the dining area into the kitchen. Then Logan came in, which is a contractor that I always use for all my projects. He's amazing. If you're here in South Florida, he also travels. I will put his info down below. Then over here, he just, by the time I came back, had taken everything apart. Then the electrical company came in and did all the electrical. I would also put their information there. They're amazing. They closed the dining room lighting and then they put a new lighting into the middle of the living room. And here's how everything looked before it actually looks good. And I think we're taking shape at this point. Then I headed to the store to decide on the PVC wall design that I was gonna use for this area, and they have so many options, you guys. I was like, oh my goodness, which one am I gonna pick? It was so hard, but I think I made the right choice for my space. So these were my two choices: the clear, the light color stone looking, and also this wood slat here, and then the dark. But of course I went with the dark because I just wanted to make a big statement. But they have beautiful pieces in here and at great prices. So like every project, there's hiccups and there's things that don't go your way. We were supposed to get 2 of this, like this 9.5 feet, to go straight into the wall so it could look like one big piece. But unfortunately, the measurements were off from the company PVC wall. So anyways, Logan made it work and he made it absolutely gorgeous. And he added lighting into the shelves units, which it's A+, you guys. I'm loving this idea over here. And I have big plans for those shelves, but for now, we're gonna keep them as they are. So Logan did an amazing job matching the veins of the walls. So you can see here, he did amazing. And then he was gonna go ahead and glue this into the wall using liquid nail. That's what you use for this type of PVC walls. And you guys, when I saw it, I was like, I was so happy that I chose the dark one because it just makes such a big statement in my space with all the whites that I have going on around. At this point, things started to feel like my vision came to life. It looks absolutely gorgeous. They put into the fireplace, which I love this new fireplace that I picked. And you guys, look how beautiful this looks. Now I need to get new furniture, new chandelier for this area, and of course a bunch of new decor. So in the dining room, you know that I have the black slat wall, so I was just not into that anymore, and I decided to do the same wood slats that we use. Then the hubby got me the frame Samsung TV, which I've been wanting forever. So we finally got it. He wanted the 75 inches, I wanted the 65 inches, and we got 65 because I am not a big fan of those oversized TV, and I think it looks great. He thinks it looks small, but let me know down in the comments what you think. Then of course, it was about time to get cleaning because this house needs to get ready for Christmas. So you guys know I've been on the hunt for new dining furniture, but honestly, I was just like, let me put everything that I have back together because we don't have time. It's the middle of the holidays and I'm not gonna get any furniture before Christmas. So I am happy with everything that we did because honestly, even the old furniture looks good in this area. Like, look at this. That wall really did its tin and it really warms up the space and it's cohesive when you walk into the house and you see the wood slats by the fireplace and then you see it in the dining area. So we're loving it. And that's pretty much what we did. Clean up the area real well and wash all those seat covers that I usually use during the week. Guys, let me know in the comment what furniture layout you think I should do in the new living space. I was thinking two sofas facing each other with my two accent chairs, or maybe a sectional. I don't know what to do yet, but we're definitely shopping for furniture, and I will show you that I went to the RH outlet and I found two sofas that I really like, but I'm not sure yet, so I haven't purchased anything. Let me know down in the comments what you think I should be doing to this space now. So the pergola company was finally done and we got to work because they left us with a big mess, you guys. And I know that we were supposed to clean after, of course, but they even left the pergola with their handprints. And I feel like if you're a contractor, you do a job, you should, clean up and give a clean product. But anyways, that company was a mess. Do not recommend. That's all I have to say. And here I am just cleaning the space with the hobby and claiming our space back. So that white wall that you see there, we're gonna have an accent wall that we're gonna create for the outdoors, and we're gonna put a TV in there as well. So for now, we set up the pergola with our old barbecue kitchen. Then we brought our sofas into this area because we're gonna be watching TV here and stuff. So I am super excited to finish the wall, hopefully before Christmas, to do the accent wall and add the TV in this area. And then for spring, the next part of the project will be to do a custom outdoor kitchen. And I am so excited to get that done. But for now, this is how everything looks. And we are happy with the setup for now so we can celebrate Christmas out here. Guys, that was it for today's video. Then we headed to RH and I fell in love with these two sofas, and for the first time they have two of the same, so that was a plus. This is the outlet and this sectional was my husband's pick. I liked it too, but I wasn't sure, and of course the kid loved the cloud. Look at them. I'll see you all on the next video. God bless.